Yo, what's really good? It's the one and only Ace to the Boogie, and I'm coming to you with another review. Now, in this video, I am going to be reviewing some hats from Hat Club. I have the JaeTips Forever collection, and I also have something from that cool fashion collection. Stay tuned.
Club got me dripping. Pink brim when you see me, blue brim when you see me, red brim when you see me. I'm litty, and I be holding down the city. I'm litty.
All right, and welcome back, man. So right here I do have my box from Hat Club. I have my trusty box cutter, so you know what time it is, man. Peel back gang. We're gonna go ahead and slice it down the middle, and we're gonna go ahead and peel it back. We're gonna go ahead and peel it back, man. So let's go, man. Let's see what we got here. Oh yes, we got pack and slip, and we have first right here, we do have our cool fashion right here. Now right here we do have the Baltimore Orioles right here. Now this is in that red, and it does have that blue brim right here. Now this is the cool fashion. So this was basically the basketball teams in the it's the baseball team with the basketball team colors. So these colors represent the Bullets, I believe the Washington Bullets if I'm not mistaken. But this is the Baltimore Orioles right here, and we have that 50th anniversary side patch right here. Looks very good, as you can see. Let's get a little close up right there. We have a nice large side patch, which I am a big fan of. Good coloring right here. This is a nice deep red. Like I said, it's a two-tone, so we do get that royal blue. We also get that royal blue button top. We have a flat Batterman logo right here. That flat Batterman is in red and blue as well. Can't go wrong with the gray, man. And so, as you can see, it does say $55. This was 55 bucks, man. Now, I'm going to put you, I always like to put you guys up on game. You know, if I have some game, I'm going to pass it on. Now, as you can see, this hat was 55 bucks, man. And I was able to get it for $24.98. Now, I'm not sure if you guys check the website often, but the Hat Club website actually has a sales section. And I picked this up off of the sales section. So for 55, nice hat. For 25, oh, it's a must cop, man. So yeah, we have a good gray bottom right here, man. We have an all black sweatband. We have the Cooperstown collection. We have the New Era flag, and we have the hat size. And like I said, $24.95, you can't beat it. They have a lot of different styles, a lot of different hats for that same $25. So you can't really go wrong with that, man. And like I said, you cannot go wrong for the 25. I definitely will insert some footage on, you know, different things that they have for 25. So if you're looking at a gift for somebody, maybe looking at a gift for yourself, you feel me, you can get it for the low. But yeah, very nice hat, man. Like I said, here we go. We got Cooperstown collection, New Era flag, hat size, and this is made in China. So we have a good China right here. Let me go ahead and take this joint off. Let me put this one on. Definitely like the fit. Okay, it's gonna need a little curve, like the fit. Let me go ahead and turn to the side. Give me some of that side patch shot. And let me show you something that I would wear with this hat. And this is something that I would wear with this hat. Now right here, I do have the Washington Bullets, you feel me, throwback jersey on. Michelin Ness authentic, man. C-Web. We got that Chris Webber joint, you feel me? But the colors, they just match so perfect. And I believe this is the color scheme that they went for when they went with this hat. So that's why I said I already got the jersey. I might as well scoop the hat for the 25. You cannot go wrong, man. And it's really giving me like that early 2000s throwback, you know, jersey era type of a vibe right here. So it's only right, man. But let me go ahead and give you some more of this. Let me turn to the side, give you more of that side patch shot. Now let's go ahead and get into the next hat, man. And remember, if you like these kind of videos, anything that has to do with hats, fashion, clothes, Nike, Adidas, whatever, make sure you subscribe to the channel, man. But the next hat, you already know the vibes, man. Let's go ahead. We got that exclusive Hat Club pin. This is the JaeTips collab pin right here. So let's go ahead, take a look at that so you can see. Oh yes, you know what's coming, man. And when this collection dropped, this is the hat that I was really trying to get. And I was able to get it, man. We have that New York Yankee right here, man. And we have it in that forest, has the forest green. Then we have like a nice bright orange on the brim. We have a nice bright orange button top. Now this is my second out of his Forever collection. And as you can see on the front, it does say Forever right here in like a cursive script embroidery right here. This is my second one. I do have the two-tone red Los Angeles Dodgers joint. That was on fire. And it's only right. I had to get these. And I'm going to show you why in a second, man. But let's go ahead and turn. We got that nice, large Subway Series side patch right here. We do have the flowers on the side. And I like that because you got to give the people the flowers while they can still smell them. You feel me? So we have a lot of detailed stitching right there on this side. Very detailed. Let's go ahead and turn to the back. We have no Batterman logo. We do have that peace sign. You feel me? If you see any of his pictures, you know he does like to give you that good peace sign. You feel me? And this is a pink bottom, man. Let's go ahead and take a look at this. We do have a pink bottom right here. Now, this was $65, and I feel like it was definitely worth it. And like I said, I put this one in the same cart as this. Why would you say? Because now I got free shipping. If you just buy the hat by itself, I think the shipping is like around 10 bucks. But if you buy two, I think if it's over $75, you get that free shipping. So for both of these, I think I paid like maybe like 80 bucks because I did use some points as well. But yeah, you can't really go wrong, especially when you get a very custom hat like this. So let's go ahead and go to the inside. We have an all white sweatband. We have the Cooperstown collection. We have the New Era flag. And we have the hat size 7 1/8. This one is made in Bangladesh. So here we go. It's looking good. Let me go ahead and take this one off. Let me put this one on. It feels good. It feels good. Yes, sir. Let me go ahead and give you some of this. Let me turn to the side. Give you some of that side patch shot. Let me turn to this side. Give you some of that pow. You feel me? Now let me show you something that I would wear with this hat. And this is something that I would wear with this hat. Now we do have a Nike Athletic Club crew neck on. And it does have a little bit of that kind of orange right there. We got that forest green. We got the white, which definitely ties into the hat, man. This is a very clean hat. And this is like one of those ones where it's like kind of like it's the inner circle. Like everybody doesn't know about these hats, man. And when you see somebody else on the street with one, you just kind of go ahead, you know, like I see you, man. We outside with it, you feel me? But let me go ahead and give you some of this. Let me turn to the side. Give you some more of that side patch shot. Let me turn to this side, give you some of this side patch shot. And let me just show you a matter of fact, this is my other JaeTips joint that I did review already. So go ahead and check out my other video. I did the full review and my outfit idea for this one. But another reason why I wanted to get this hat is for these joints right here, man. These dunks go crazy. And they are a forest. Hopefully you can catch that color. They are like that same kind of forest green with the orange. Went ahead, obviously it's a winner, man. So I'm gonna definitely be rocking these with this, and I'll probably do a video on these. I haven't done a review. I haven't even worn these joints yet, but I'll do a review on these too with a couple of different outfit ideas, man. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, because I got some more shoes coming. I got some more hats coming, man. But yeah, it's your boy Ace to the Boogie, and I'm out.